In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find QR code on Metatrader 5. If you've been hunting through your folders for a QR image, here's the key insight. On Metatrader 5, the QR code isn't a file you download or store. It's a temporary code that appears inside the platform and is mainly used to connect your trading account between devices, like moving from desktop to mobile, quickly and accurately. Here's how to bring it up on the desktop version of MT5. Open Metatrader 5 and head to the File menu. From there, choose either Open an Account or Log in to Trade Account, depending on whether you're adding a new account or signing in to an existing one. Next, select your broker's server from the list. Then proceed to the Login window and enter your account credentials. After you confirm those details, many broker versions of MT5 will display a QR code right in that login or connection window. That is the code you scan with the MT5 mobile app to connect automatically. It saves time and helps avoid typing mistakes with server names or account numbers. If you close the window before scanning, don't worry. You can return to the File menu and repeat the same path to bring the QR code back. Remember, this QR only lives inside that connection process. It isn't saved anywhere on your computer, so you won't find it in your MT5 folders. Now, what if you don't see a QR code at all? That can happen, and it doesn't mean anything is wrong with your account. Not every broker or MT5 build supports QR login. In that case, start by updating both your desktop MT5 and the mobile app to the latest versions from official sources. Make sure you're selecting the exact server your broker specifies, because some white label or older builds may hide or disable the QR feature. If it still doesn't appear, simply log in manually using your account number, password, and server. It works the same for trading purposes. The QR is just a convenience tool. When you do get the QR, have your phone ready with the MT5 mobile app open to its login screen so you can use the built-in scanner. Allow camera permission if prompted, and hold your phone steady in front of a bright, clear desktop screen for a quick read. To recap, the QR code appears only inside the desktop login or account connection flow. It isn't saved as a file, and it may not be available on all broker versions. Follow the File menu to log in or open an account, enter your details, and scan the on-screen code with the MT5 mobile app if it's offered.